Pick me up. That's a small convertible.
Got a ride to Stevens Pass. This is gonna be a long ride in the back of this pickup truck, but hey, we love a free ride. Good thing it's a nice day.
Well, we'll get a totally different view of the drive up there.
Yeah.
Ironically, this won't be probably as hot as when we were inside the car.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
This is nice.
Jeff likes to keep it warm.
Right. We have found the trail. We're gonna go a whopping 3.5 miles today. And then hit it up for real tomorrow. Trail registry. We're gonna go down there. Alright. Let's crank out these 3.5 miles. So we can have some dins and lighten our loads. Our packs are heavy. Flat and straight. This is not the PCT way. Are we sure we're on the right path?
This might be wrong.
Might be wrong. PCT is never straight and flat. We should consult the map.
I hate to complain about it.
Oh, I'm not complaining. Not one little bit. Trail so far is awesome. Flat, smooth, wide. What a great introduction. Reintroduction after having almost 3 days off. And I'm also not feeling the greatest. I've had a sore throat all day and I feel a little fevery on and off. So this gentle trail is quite welcome. You repeat that
I love it here. Positively love it.
because we're in a meadow.
I love camping in a meadow.
Every time we camp in a meadow, we tend to put on our English accents.
Oh, go get Ashley and Buffy.
We don't really know why.
Join us. Maybe Cody and Trapper.
Slapper.
Yeah, Trapper. And Cody.
Is it okay
We
if I
don't want Cody.
put my home right here?
Yes, I think so. Because I think I'm going to put mine
Not to bring Chad down.
right here.
Chadwick is quite uncouth.
Yes, we don't want Chad nor Cody.
Positively painful. Cannot stand him.
My tremolo is positively crazy. I love it. Right, I thought that I would update you on what we've been doing and what we're going to be doing. So a few days ago, we got off trail at Stevens Pass It was later in the afternoon, so we spent the night at the Mountaineers Lodge. And then the next day we got a hitch into Leavenworth, where we spent 2 full zeros. And tonight we caught a hitch back to Stevens Pass, and we hiked 3.5 miles. So we are now entering a 7-day stretch from Stevens Pass to Stehekin. However, we can't hike right to Stehekin on the PCT. So, because there's a fire closure, so we are going to be hiking as far as Cloudy Pass and then taking a non-PCT trail into the village of Holden. From there, we're going to catch a shuttle to Lucerne. From Lucerne, we're going to take the ferry to Stehekin. From Stehekin north, there's another fire closure at Rainy Pass, so we can't hike the PCT north of Stehekin either until Harts Pass. The PCTA has come up with a detour, but they've given precious little detail on it. We have no idea where our water sources would be. We have no idea where camping would be, and it adds some significant miles to that portion. So with lack of information and lack of other PCT hikers out here in this section, we've decided not to take the detour. So from Stehekin, we're going to find our way to Mazama by a different mode of transportation. From Mazama, we're going to head up to Harts Pass and then hike from Harts Pass to the monument and then into Manning Park. So, and that will be a 3-day section. So we've got 10 hiking days left, and we need to have 7 0/travel days in there to be at the monument, or to be in Manning Park by September 10th, which is when our families are going to be there to meet us. So that is the plan going forward. We are hiking a little and skipping a little and then hiking a little bit more. So yeah, and I am not feeling all that hot. So depending on how we feel tomorrow, we can either bang out 15 miles or we can cut it short at 11, because we did hike out this evening, which wasn't initially part of the plan. So we're a little bit ahead of the game right now, so that gives us a little playing room, which is nice. So we'll see. Anyway, it's dinner time and then bedtime. And the family is, doing family things. Good morning. It is day 119. We have 184.8 miles and 12 kilometers left. I'm out of breath because I'm sick and we're climbing. We're aiming for 15 miles today. That'll put us into a lake. So hopefully we can make it there. Yeah. I can't talk. Let's just do this. So far it's a beautiful day, but the smoke is back. So we're breathing that in. But the sun's out and it's nice. And the trail's been fairly easy. Hoping it stays that way. And yeah, definitely got a cold. The smoke's not helping, but I think I can't smell it quite as bad as I would if I didn't have a cold. Anyway, it's going good. We have 14 days left on trail. It is coming to an end real soon. It makes me sad, and yet I'm also very happy for that. So, check that out. Ooh. That's pretty. Beast mode's been activated. Model number 1, Desert Moon. Model number 2, Woodsy. Model number 3, Miss Pivot.
always bend the knees. You cheated.
Yeah, why didn't you do what we did? Get back over there, do it again.
No,
To do a limbo.
I'm too tall for that. If I was more compact like y'all, then maybe.
This is beautiful. We are on our way towards Grizzly Peak. Grizzly Peak is one of the few actual peaks we summit on this trail. We typically summit passes, so I'm excited to be actually summiting a peak this time. You just climbed Grizzly Peak.
Where's the grizzly?
High five. I don't know. High five. One of PCT's only peaks. Frig yeah. We climbed a mountain. We climbed a mountain. Ooh, ooh. I'm the only one that's excited.
Ah. Excited.
Woodsy, you climbed a mountain.
We climbed the mountain.
You climbed a mountain. This is the peak.
We climbed the mountain.
Ooh, ooh.
Do the climb mountain dance.
That's right. Ooh.
Shaking the booty, shaking the booty.
Desert Mooney's dying.
Booty, booty shaking.
We deserve popsicles for this.
Would your viewers like to see my climbing a mountain dance?
Sure. Good job, man.
My stance.
Nice dance. I really wish there was a trail angel up here with popsicles.
I would dance for a popsicle.
Yeah, I would too. Oh, we'll get one in
Dance on
Holden.
any pole for.
We'll get one in Holden. Now that we made it to the top of Grizzly Peak, we get to go down and then a little bit back up. 4 miles is camp. I'm going to be staying at Pear Lake tonight. And we have to get there because there's no water between here and there. Look how pretty that is.
You know what the good thing about it being hot out is?
Huh?
It's jumping the lake.
Ooh, maybe. Maybe. There be a fire right there.
Fire.
We're kind of going over there. So not to it, but dang close enough. Mm. All right, we are doing our final climb, 1.4 miles to Pear Lake. We have our music in, because we need motivation. I am getting too hot, I'm gonna take my clothes off. Whew. Okay, let's go. All right, we're on the side trail to the lake. Look at this sweet campsite. Right along the lake. It's quite the climb to get here. Ooh. Claimed my home to be right there. But first, we're going to the lake to wash up and get some badly needed water. See, how cold is it? Jump on in and find out.
Why me?